Hello, everyone. What is it that everyone is talking about and wondering? You might not believe what you think you know about Tesla's future after hearing this talk. But let's quickly set the scene before we get into it. Tesla, a name that is often linked to innovation and change in the car industry, is once again in the news thanks to Elon Musk's bold claims and skyrocketing stock prices. The journey of Tesla has been nothing short of an emotional roller coaster. But what if I told you there's more to this story than meets the eye? Something that could take Tesla's path to a whole new level. In a historic interview with Jonas of Morgan Stanley, a man known for his bullish predictions and unwavering support for Tesla, this revelation sent shockwaves through the Tesla community. But what was said in this interview that left shareholders and fans speechless? What groundbreaking insights could change the game for Tesla and its investors? Get ready for an exciting ride. Don't miss a second of this exciting revelation as we reveal the secrets from this Morgan Stanley interview that could change the future of Tesla and its place in the world. But first, let me see if you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to set your alarm. Well, hello, and welcome to Tesla Stock News. Let's start with an interesting story. Tesla revealed a secret path that could potentially cause its stock price to rise 15 times. This news has sparked the interest of both industry experts and investors, leading Morgan Stanley to make a big call. Jonas, an analyst at the firm, has raised Tesla's rating to overweight and changed the price target from $1,250 to an amazing $1,400. If you're wondering who else shares this pro-Tesla optimism, our friends at Seeking Alpha are right there with you. Seeking Alpha is your one-stop shop for all the latest on Tesla. Tesla stock price goals, Tesla's new ideas, and everything Elon Musk is the best pro-Tesla news source on the internet. So don't get caught up in the negative talk about Tesla in the mainstream media. Instead, click the link in the description to go to Seeking Alpha. They're having the best sale ever on Black Friday, and Jonas explains why he thinks Tesla's long-term prospects will be good. In this speech, he talks about how important Tesla's Dodo supercomputer is and says it could add up to $500 billion to Tesla's enterprise value. This big increase in value would come from faster acceptance of mobility technologies, such as the use of robo-taxi services and network services that could change the auto industry by providing software as a service. Jonas also says that even though Tesla already has about 400,000 cars with fully self-driving technology, the ongoing improvements to the Dodo supercomputer and the creation of next-generation chips could lead to big price cuts. The problem of Tesla's impressive growth and the complexities that come with it should only be dealt with by experts. Luckily, our partners at Seeking Alpha are a great place to learn about these and other complicated topics. The best deal and special offer can be found at the link in the description. Especially since Black Friday is coming up, Jonas is known for always being positive about Tesla's future, giving the company high marks and setting lofty price targets. In this report, he makes an especially tempting prediction. The talk about Tesla's possible growth will keep people interested because it explores the intriguing idea that the company's Dodo supercomputer could add an amazing $500 billion to its market value. The report also hints at other intriguing ways that Morgan Stanley has found for Tesla to make a lot of money, which will keep people wanting to learn more about the possible ways for Tesla to make money. The story also moves on to talk about how Tesla's business plan is changing. Instead of just making cars, they are now selling charging infrastructure, batteries for power electronics, and of course, the very valuable full self-driving and autonomous technology. The study stresses that investors may not fully understand Tesla's bigger goals and potential. Now let's talk about the need for charging facilities and how well supercharging stations work in different parts of the world. This gives the conversation a global view and shows how line with a larger trend of electric vehicle manufacturers moving from focusing grow into high-margin areas. As Tesla's stock price hovers around $220, it's interesting to note that the company's stock value has dropped to just 5 times the earnings forecast for 2012 to 2014. This is a big change from the past, where the forward price-to-earnings PE ratios were often higher than 100. Jonas says that improving short-term performance or boosting sentiment only in the core car business won't be enough to move the stocks. Resurgence to get long-term health. Tesla needs to move towards software and services as a more stable way to make money that will keep coming in. This change is important because it not only makes the company more financially stable, but it also meets changing market standards. Morgan Stanley thinks that Tesla may continue to be under pressure as it moves away from its high-value focus on automobiles. Tesla's best chance at a bright future is to be able to switch to more capital-light sources of income, especially in the areas of software services and licensing. To make this happen, the company needs to use two main tactics: rapidly growing the number of users and entering new markets in addition to normal car sales. Some analysts say that Tesla's Q3 results were a big setback for its optimistic outlook, with disappointing results across a number of performance measures that were supposed to boost confidence once more. Tesla needs to make big steps to change its direction. In the past, the company has relied on one-time vehicle sales, which required a lot of capital. However, Jonas says that Tesla could find ways to make recurring high-margin revenues by creating a marketplace for its goods, similar to an app store. Morgan Stanley thinks that by the early 2030s, Tesla will have 50 million monthly active users, 10 times as many as the 5 million users it has now. The company also talks about the huge potential of Tesla's Dodo supercomputer, which is thought to be worth $500 billion. This isn't the first time Morgan Stanley has talked about how much money Tesla's supercomputer could make. Past mentions have caused stock prices to rise. It is expected by Morgan Stanley that Dodo, Tesla's AI network, is meant to teach self-driving cars how to run. Tesla can reach more people with vehicles that use video beta. It will make neural net training faster and cheaper, which is an important part of building AI systems. It will also help with the very profitable software service market. Tesla has a huge set of real-world data that Dodo uses. This data includes billions of object names, velocity data, and road scenarios. Dodo isn't just a hardware project. It's also a software tool that lets Tesla offer its supercomputer and AI services to other businesses and industries. This is similar to how Amazon's web services are a big part of how the company makes money and grows. Morgan Stanley thinks that Dodo could bring in up to $15 billion a year for Tesla by 2030, and the long-term promise is even bigger. What an amazing project. Dodo works with Tesla to help it meet its financial goals every time. Other tactics include adding more models to Tesla's lineup besides the Model S, X3, and Y. The Cybertruck and the Model 2 will be released soon, along with robo-taxis. It's important not to underestimate the effect of a vehicle launch like the Cybertruck on market sentiment. Jonas thinks that Tesla will be more successful in the future if it expands its market. In the next 6 to 12 months, his company will closely watch for signs that the company's business model is changing to include capital-light projects like licensing and software that are useful outside of the auto market. This change is seen as essential for Tesla to get higher stock prices. Jonas says that investors will want solid proof that Tesla has something to do with AI, and the stock's rise will rest on Tesla reaching one or more of these important milestones. Hey, we have to end this now, so let's start an exciting journey today through the world of Tesla and its potential for future growth and innovation. From Morgan Stanley's optimistic predictions to the game-changing power of Tesla's Dodo supercomputer, we've looked at what the future holds for this electric vehicle giant. Now it's your turn. Morgan Stanley is optimistic about Tesla's future. Are you interested in how Tesla's Dodo supercomputer could change the industry? We'd love to hear from you. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you like this in-depth look at Tesla's potential, please like the video. Also, make sure you subscribe to Tesla Stock News to get more exciting news about Tesla and the latest developments in the electric car industry. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the next video.